buddy? How you doing? Up here? Come here. Come here. Oh, you're a dropsy squirrel. You want me to drop it? You want to take it? Come here. That's one always looks at the ground like, drop it. Just got done in the garden. Did 5 hours in the garden yesterday and 5 hours in the garden today. Tired. Still not done. Ow. I don't know if you can hear that. I cracked my neck. The sun's going down. But I figured I'd take a couple minutes to hang out with my buddies. Relax. You're okay. Truck scared him. Come here. Okay. Watch her. Drop it. Drop it. Like, look, he's like, put it here. There you go. Other squirrels are probably mad at me because I've been not feeding them. I've been in the garden, and they know not to bug me back there. But I've been leaving them peanuts and stuff. It's not like they're hungry. Funny, lately the raccoons and the raccoons and the possums are come eating the peanuts, and the cardinals and the blue jays. So by the time the squirrels wake up, they're all gone. Yeah, I don't know where all my other buddies are. It's getting dark. Want to take it? You want to take it? It's like, drop it. Drop it. Put it. Put it here. He always turns, keeps an eye on me to make sure I don't leave. Oh, mister, stop. I think the squirrels are biting the rabbit. Is usually the one who bites the heads off the tulips, but I didn't see it do it, so it might be the squirrels too. But they don't eat them. They just take them and then they drop them. See that red right there? Beautiful red tulip on their own. So I might need to cage this area off with some like wire or something and keep them out. So I like my tulips. Strike your little bud. Eat the dandelion. Got plenty of them. Buddy. Ooh, the bee's back. There's a hole right here. They live underneath my steps. Ooh, he's loud too. It's like, I don't know if you can hear that. Squirrel's like, nope. The bumblebees live right in the steps. I need to put my broccoli inside broccoli plant that's going to flower out here so they can pollinate it. Man, he is loud. One of them was following me around the garden today. Here, buddy. Come here. Need to be alone. So screw that noise. He's smart. It's funny. He did not like that bee. Bee ain't gonna hurt you. Well, look at. I don't know how you can eat so much. I mean, look at the size of the peanut compared to the size of his body. It'd be like us eating 10 footballs. But I guess they burned it off. They got all that energy. Alright. He's the only visitor for today. Some peanuts out for the rest of them.